Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see question number 16 and 17 of class 6 of exercise 10.1. Question number 16 is, what is the perimeter of each of the following figures? So we have to find out the perimeters in the given figures. What do you infer from the answer? So what do you notice, what do you get it after getting the answer of all? So A is the shape of square. Its each side is 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter. So what we have to find out? We have to find the perimeter of the figure. Here figure is square, so side of square is 25 centimeter. Okay, so that the perimeter of square is 4 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of square is 4 into side. So 4 will multiply by side of the square, which is 25, and when we multiply 25 by 4 we will get 100 and the unit will be centimeter. So this is the solution of first one. Now we have second figure, which is showing us as a rectangle whose length is 30 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeter. Okay, so this is the figure of rectangle. So here we will apply the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So here is 2, length is 30 and breadth is 20. Okay, so 2 will multiply by 30 plus 20 is 50. So 50 into 2 is 100 centimeter. Okay, so again we got the answer as first one. In the first one our answer is 100. Second one is also giving us the answer 100, having the same unit centimeter. Now third one is rectangle shape figure whose length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay, so again we will apply here the formula of same perimeter of rectangle, which is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2, length is 40 and the breadth is 10. So 40 plus 10 is 50. This 50 will multiply by 2. So 2 into 50 is 100 and the unit will be centimeter. Okay, now last of the question number 16 is triangle shape figure. This figure is having two sides as a 30 centimeter and the last side is 40 centimeter. So simply we will put the vertex name as A, B, C. So perimeter of triangle. What is the perimeter of any figure? Any figure perimeter is sum of all sides. Okay, so first side is if AB, then second side is BC and the last side is CA. The length of AB is 30, length of BC is 40 and the length of CA is 30. So 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 plus 30 is 100 and the unit will be centimeter. Now you can see all the questions of question number 16. A answer is 100 centimeter, B answer is 100 centimeter, C answer is 100 centimeter, D answer is 100 centimeter. So all figures have equal or same perimeter. Okay, So this we concluded at the end. Now we are going on the question number 17, which is question number 17 is here. Avneet buys 9 square paving slabs. So you have seen somewhere there the paving slabs means the tiles are shifting, our tiles are putting together to pave the slab, like in the order different kind of slabs are putting together to form the floor. Okay, this kind of the paving slabs all are. So this what I am putting the small tile into the block, okay, into the block to pave the floor. So each with the side of half meter. So if we are taking the one single slab, this single slab is having the side of half meter. It means half meter is here, half meter is here, half meter is here, and the half meter is here. He lays them in the form of a square. So this half meter is the length, is the side of the each slab. Okay, so firstly Avneet form a square. Avneet form a square like in this form. So what is a question is what is the perimeter of his arrangement? Okay, so firstly what we will see, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 slabs are putting together to form a square, and we know the each slab is having half meter of length. So half meter is here, half meter is here, half meter is here. So half means when you divide 1 by 2 you will get 0.5. okay, half can be write in the form of decimal as 0.5. How many 0.5 is here? This is 0.5, this is 0.5, and this is 0.5. When we add 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5 3 times, so 5 is 15, 1 on the carry, decimal in the same line, 1 will add with the all 0 and here is 1. So it means the side of all 3 paving slabs together is 1.5. So here is 1.5, it means this is also 1.5, this is also 1.5, and here is also 1.5. okay, so now this is the we get it. Okay, we get it side of square arrangement. Which arrangement is there? Square arrangement. Side of square arrangement is 1.5 meter. So square arrangement is there, that's why we will take out perimeter of square arrangement. Perimeter of square arrangement is 4 into side. Okay, so this 4 will multiply by side is 1.5. So this 1.5 will multiply by 4, so that 4 5s are 20, 2 on the carry, 4 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6, and decimal will come here. So 1.5 will multiply by 4 will give us 6.0, and the unit will be meter. Okay, 6 meter is the perimeter of square arrangement. Now the question number B of 17 is, Shri does not like his arrangement. So the previous arrangement of square of Avneet, Shri is not liking it. She gets him to lie them out like a cross. What is the perimeter of her arrangement? She has been taken all the slabs to form the new arrangement of cross shaped. So the question is asking the perimeter of her arrangement. So this is the cross shaped figure that she formed using the 9 slabs. So firstly count, is it 9? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, they all are 9. Okay, so here is half and here is half. half and half will give us 1. Okay, so here half and half is 1, so this is 1 meter. This is half and half is 1 meter. Half and half is 1 meter. Half and half is 1 meter. This half and half is 1 meter. This half and half is 1 meter. This half and half is 1 meter, and this half and half is 1 meter. And the remaining these points, this is half means 0.5 meter. Here is also 0.5 meter. Here is also 0.5 meter, and here is also 0.5 meter. This arrangement perimeter we have to find. So firstly we will put the vertex name. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Okay, so these are the vertex name. Simply we will put the formula of perimeter of cross arrangement is sum of all sides. Okay, so we are going to start with A. So firstly is AB, then BC, then CD, then DE, then EF, then FG, then GH, then HI, then IJ, then JK, then KL, and the last is LA. Okay, AB is 1, BC is 1, CD is 0.5, DE is 1, EF is 1, FG is 0.5, GH is 1, HI is 1, IJ is half. Okay, JK is 1, KL is 1, and the LA is 0.5. Okay, so firstly we will count all the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 is here, half and half is 9, and half and half is 10. So here we got 10 meter. So the cross shaped arrangement having the perimeter of 10 meter, which has the greatest perimeter in between square and the cross arrangement. The cross arrangement has greatest perimeter. So here we completed our exercise 10.1.